Oh hi, sorry, didn't see you there. Welcome back to another episode of Autism Kitchen with me, your host, Daniel Scourse. Today we're going to be making lovely, delightful burgers. We've got brioche buns, Warburtons of choice of course. We've also got some sexy beef burgers. We've got some plastic cheese and some already shredded lettuce because I'm a lazy cunt. We've already started preparing our onions in the pan here. We're going to caramelise these. So I've put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan on a medium to low heat, and I'm just letting them sort of just cook, really, you know. Fucking cook! My eyes burning. Fuck me. Way better. We've turned on our grill in preparation for our lean mean beef machines. None of that vegan shit, that's cunty. Let's get it done. Open the fucking packaging like a fucking man. You got your burgers. Nice. Bam, that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And that's 4. We want to make sure that grill is nice and hot in preparation for our burgers. As you can see, the heat elements are getting nice and red inside. Leave it a few more minutes just to heat up to its full potential. Oh, yeah, get it right in there, look. Now it's time to put our burgers under the grill. Here we go. As you can see, we've prepped our brioche buns, you know, on the plate like that. Beautiful, lovely. They are fucking lit, mate. I feel like SpongeBob in the Krusty Krab.
You're having a bit of a mare here, aren't you?
I am, mate. Just 1 more minute, so on that side. Right, so yes, now our burgers look good! Beautiful things. Sizzling like a motherfucker. Beautiful. Bone apple feet. Right, bit of a situation. What the fuck happened? Bit of a fire. I think everything's alright.
Put the decking.
Right, crisis averted, it's fine.
Just put that on the floor and leave it to cool down. Outside.
So now we've let our burgers degrease, we want to dress the crown and the heel. This is the crown, goes on your head like, this is the heel like the bottom of your feet. So what I'm going to do is select the burger and another burger, like this. Get the cheesy singles. Ed Sheeran, I'm talking to you. I fucking hate opening these things because they're fucking cunts, honestly. Now, if you want, I like to go for 2 slices of cheese per burger. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. We want to open the cheese up. Fuck, I fucked this one already. Oh no, I can save this. Now you see, I worked at McDonald's for 7 months, so I really do know how to make a fucking decent burger. Lovely, look at that. That one on top there. Get it in that star shape, you know, like the Star of David. Jewish, that's what I say. Next, what we want to do is we want to get our lovely caramelised onions. Plop it on top of the cheese like that. Look at that, look. I'm going to use just little bits. There we go. Very nice and caramelised, sweet to the taste, how it should be. So now we want to get our salad of choice. Mine is lettuce. I'm opting to skip the tomato because tomatoes are sinful, alright? Tomatoes are the work of the devil. Next, you want to get your relish of choice. This is the sweet onion relish, just to sort of complement the caramelised onions. Now you dress the crown of the burger and you want a nice sinful blob. Look at that, look. Beautiful. And now, the best part, putting the crown on top of the burger. Beautiful. So there we have it. Some banging burgers and a brioche bun, caramelised onion, shredded lettuce and plastic cheese. That's what I call an autistic dinner. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time on Autism Kitchen.